So boom, we're gonna be listening to Raininglol's EP, bruh. And the EP is called Good Friday. Now I don't listen to Raininglol like that because I just thought he was a Che clone. Even though I still thought his music was good, I just didn't listen to him because of the fact that he was cloning. But you know what? It's time to like give him a listen now, bro. Let me respect his music. Let's listen. Let's see if this shit's good or not, bro. I like that. I like the cover art for this. Oh shit! This give me like Pete Panthers vibes though. Type of beat. Okay. Damn. 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 Okay. The nigga music actually good though. I don't know. I don't know. The thing is because of the fact he did like the Che clone shit so much. I don't know if I can even say this doesn't sound like Che, bro. Cause there is inspiration, but you know he sounds like himself, but I don't know. I feel like he doesn't sound like Che that much. If anything, he kind of sounds like a Slayer ass nigga, but it don't matter. I feel like this is finally like he's back on like his own sound or some shit. It don't sound that much like Che. Unless I'm tripping. Y'all let me know, bro. Whooping the ass. Damn. Damn. Oh shit. He went EDM on us, bro. Damn. And that's also crazy. I low-key feel like a lot of the underground rap is going towards like an EDM sound, bro. Cause him, Slayer, I can't name somebody else, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, him and Slayer, I feel like I haven't seen that much niggas rap on EDM beats. Like, so like this kind of crazy. I guess if this is what underground rap is turning to, it's gonna be very interesting, bro. It's not that bad. I just don't like EDM like that. Hold on. Movie. Damn. I like this though. This nigga, you see, like the thing is, this nigga actually has talent though. Like this nigga Raininglol actually got talent. So like, I don't understand. I mean, I can understand the hate, but like, if he just stopped Che cloning, this nigga could really be good as fuck. Like this nigga actually got talent. Like this chorus, his voice, the melody is like really good. All right, I fuck with the first song, bro. The first song actually decent. Damn, hold on. This nigga's actually versatile, bro. This is like an alternative, like like it's like an alternative beat. Unless I'm tripping, it's like an alternative beat. Damn. Also, I've been thinking about this. Like a lot of, I feel like some underground rappers, like the mainstream, should kind of tap into like an alternative sound, bro. Like, cause alternative music be bumping. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with alternative music. I listen to that bitch in the morning every day. If I go to work, just when I wake up, everything. But I just love alternative music and I love like rap. But nigga, I feel like if more like, say if Nine Vicious went to like underground sound, I'm tripping. I feel like, but yeah. Some of these artists could probably tap into the sound if they're versatile, bro. Unless I'm tripping. Y'all let me know. Oh shit. I have my fucking dogs as me. Fucking we reacting to what? I'm gonna cut this out. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. I fuck with this. Damn. Damn. I fuck with this. Lately. Baby, hold on. Damn. Damn. I fuck with this though. I actually fuck with this. This is actually good. I like how he's versatile, bro. That's actually a really good, like, that's really good to me. I like that. I might give him more listens, bro. All right, let's see how the last one is. Oh, so everything just different. Like, everything has a different sound, bro. He's smart. I think he knows what he's doing. I think he's like experimenting, bro. He's just tapping into different sounds, bro. This cover art is so tough, bro. My last shout. Damn. Damn, this is Shay influence, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Damn. This is tough, bro. Damn, I fuck with this, bro. This shit is actually hard. Damn. Cash out. I'm gonna last out. Where you at now? I fuck with it. I like he's fighting. Damn. This nigga's actually good though. Like if he's gonna clone, like that's what I be saying. My bad, I stuttered too much, bro. That's what I be saying. If you gonna clone a nigga, at least be good at it, bro. And I don't even think this is like really Che cloning. I might say that at the beginning of the song, but like after more listens, like fully listening to this, he's not even cloning Che like that. Maybe he just sounds like him, but like I wouldn't say cloning like that. Back then he was though, but right here, I just think he genuinely just made a song. And this is how he was feeling, bro. Like I guess he's influenced by the sound, but I don't think it's cloning. No more. Yeah, but it's smooth though. Like, it's actually good. Damn. Nah, this song's good. I ain't gonna lie. All right, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That was a good little EP, bro. I actually fuck with it. I fuck with this shit heavy, though. I can't even lie to you, bro. Like, This nigga Raininglol, he has potential, bro. I feel like he just tapped into different sounds, try to sound like himself more. Which like I'm not saying that he didn't sound like himself in this EP, but yeah, if he focused on his own sound more, he can be big, bro. He got talent. That's what I mean. He got talent. I ain't gonna lie.